you all are fine and well in your home. In this video, we learn about our new chapter 6, Computer Ethics, Viruses and Security. Do you know, students, who is the father of computer virology? John von Neumann is the father of computer virology. What is computer ethics? Computer ethics as the set of moral principles that regulate the use of computers. Some common issues of computer ethics include intellectual property rights, copyright, privacy concern, and software piracy. Intellectual property rights means it is a form of intangible property that comes from the creative endeavors of mind. And what is copyright? Copyright describes the legal rights of owner of what he and she work. The person who owns the copyrights of a work is the only person who can copy that work or given permission to someone else to copy it. Copyright is represented by a special symbol, which means all rights are reserved. Now next is software piracy. Software piracy refers to the illegal distributions of software application. It leads to the loss of revenue and jobs in software companies. Where the various forms of software piracy are internet piracy, pre-installed software piracy, end-user piracy, and online actions policy. Now, what is computer virus? Computer virus are the set of programs that disturb the normal operations of a computer. The virus full form is Vital Information Resources Under SIZE. The computer virus corrupt data and programs of our computer system, and due to this, computer cannot work properly. The computer virus can spread from one computer to other and infect our files data. The virus can be divided in many types like worms. Worms is a type of malware software that spread copies of itself from computer to computer by using internet. Worms is also a malicious program that copies and multiply itself by using computer network. Now second is Trojan horse. It is also a virus. It is a program that appears to have some useful purpose but really marks some hidden malicious functionality. Now next is malware. Malware is a program that enter into a computer and damage it without knowing the knowledge of users. It is a trouble-causing programs that not only interrupt the working of computer but also steal important information. Okay students, you know what is computer virus? Types of viruses. Virus can be classified by their infection target into the following types. First is boot sectors virus. Boot sector virus affect the boot section of your computer. They become active at the time of booting and the machines and replace the boot record that is responsible for loading the operating systems in memory by copying it elsewhere. Now next is program viruses. Program virus attach itself to an executable program which have extensions such as .exe, .com, .sys, etc. Whenever the user start an application that run the infected file, the virus is unleashed. Now, next is microviruses. Microviruses affect the created files using particular programs or application containing macros. They increase their ability to automate some operation, in which case they would be performed as a single actions. Now, next is antivirus software. Antivirus software is also a types of program designed and developed to protect your computer from viruses. Antivirus programs functions to scan, detect and remove viruses from your computer. There are many versions and types of antivirus programs are available in the market. The prime objective of any antivirus program is to protect your computers and remove viruses once they detect. They perform the following tasks in your computer. They scan the computer files to look for viruses. They identify suspicious behavior from any computer program which might indicate infected. Now, next is hackers and crackers. You know who is hackers and crackers? Hackers is a person who is extremely interested in exploring the things and reconstruct working of any computer system or networking system. Hackers are an expert programmer. They are also called ethical hackers, and the techniques or hacking they perform is called ethical hacking. Now, who is crackers? Crackers are also known as a malicious programmers. They are the people who created and send viruses and worms, break into computer system, steal your data, shut down network, and basically commit electronic crimes. Now, next is computer security. Computer security is the protections of computing system and the data they store or access from an unauthorized access. International theft. A computer security breach is any incident that result in a serious damage to an organization, which may include loss of your valuable data. Applications. Computer security are divided into various categories. Hardware breaches can be both accidental and intentional, which may include cables, phone lines, and modem. Now, next is software breaches. It includes computer viruses and cracking of password. Now, next is network breaches are used to transmit your information, which can be trapped by illegal people to access company informations. Okay students, in this video you know about computer virus, ethics and antivirus software and computer security. Okay students, thank you.